In your legislative watch now, a bill to allow guns in Idaho schools has passed the House and is on its way to the Senate. State Representative Chad Christensen of Ammon sponsored the bill. It would authorize any school staffer with an enhanced concealed carry permit to bring a weapon onto school grounds. They would no longer need approval from the school board. Supporters of the bill say the bill protects school children. Opponents say the requirements for getting an enhanced concealed carry permit are not tough enough to allow someone to carry a gun around children.